Today, you're going to design your very own desktop background. That's the image that shows behind your icons when you open up a computer. You're going to be using Google Drawings, and your template is already set up with the perfect screen size. Now, important note, this project is just for fun. We're not changing the background on your school Chromebook or your school computer. You're designing something cool that you could use on a personal device or just keep it in your Google Drive to show off your creativity. So let's jump in. First thing you'll do is go to Google Classroom and open up that file that I've shared with you. It's already sized to fit a computer screen, and your name is already on the file, so there's nothing you need to change at the top. You're looking at a blank canvas that you get to decorate any way you like. We're going to start by adding your name on the background using Word Art. To insert Word Art, just click up here for Insert and go down to Word Art and then type your name. So I'm going to type the words, your name, and then press Enter. You'll see the default is a light blue color inside, and then there is a border that is black. To change the colors, you can click up here to the fill bucket, and then you can choose any color you'd like. And then here is the color for the border that goes along the outside. And then this right here changes the weight of your border to make it thicker. You can also change the font, the way the letters look. So just click right up here and you can choose any of the Google fonts you have shown. You can also adjust the size of your name by just clicking on the handles, these boxes, on the edges of your Word Art. So pause and do that now. You can also add a background by right-clicking on your canvas, so that's the yellow dot on your mouse, and then click background, and then you can choose any of these colors, and there is your background. It's time to have fun with the design. You can add shapes, pictures of things you love, a mini goal list, or a fun message. This is your space, and you can make it feel like you. You can also insert images. To insert an image, you can go right up here where it says Insert Image, or you can go up here to Insert Image that way. Either one is the same. When you click this, you press Search the Web, and you can see the last thing I searched for was Clip Art School. So type what you want to add and then press Enter. Clip art is just fun little images that you can add to your creations, and you can put something in here like school and then press Insert, and then you have a great little clip art that reminds you of school. You can also insert shapes by clicking Insert, Shape, and then go here, and then you can choose a different shape and draw them in the shape you'd like. Again, we can use our fill bucket and change the colors of our shapes and the border weight. If you want to add a goal list, all you have to do is click either inside a shape like this, double click inside with your green dot, and then you can go up here to a bullet list if you'd like. If you want to align that where it's on the left, click this align and click that first option, and then you can start typing your goals. Those are different things that you can have to keep on your desktop background. Also add text to your background by going up here to the T, clicking that, and then you can draw the size of your text box. And then once you draw your text box, you can just start typing. And the last thing is, if you want to add any more shapes or images, go ahead and make this your own. But something to remember is you don't want to fill it up too much, because you still have to be able to see all the icons on your computer. Once you're done decorating, let's double check that your name is easy to read, your background isn't too bright or messy, and you're happy with how it looks. Now you're going to press the Turn In button on Google Classroom. But the great thing is you have this automatically saved to your Google Drive, and you'll be able to open it anytime. That's it. You've just designed your very own custom desktop background using Google Drawings. This is a fun way to show off your style and use all the awesome tools that you've learned this year. Let's get designing.